In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your product images to the same size on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your product photos look clean and consistent across your store using Shopify's built-in tools. No extra apps required. First, sign into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, click Products. This takes you to your full product list. Choose the product that has the images you want to resize and open it. Inside the product page, look for the Media section. This is where all the photos for that product live. Click on the image you want to adjust. When the image opens, look for the editing options and select Crop and Transform. This is the tool that lets you set a consistent shape for your images. For most stores, Square is a great choice because it keeps your product grid uniform and works well with many themes. If your theme uses a different shape, pick the aspect ratio that matches your design for a cohesive look. Once you've chosen the aspect ratio, drag the corners or the highlighted area to frame your product. Aim to center the subject and leave a little breathing room around it so it doesn't feel cramped. If your product is tall or wide, adjust the framing so the important details are visible and not cut off. Take a moment to make sure everything looks balanced. When you're happy with the framing, click Apply. This sets the crop. To make your changes permanent for that product, click Save on the product page. If you navigate away without saving, your edit won't stick, so don't skip this step. Keep in mind that cropping removes parts of the image, so it won't increase quality. Starting with a high-resolution photo will help your final result stay sharp. Repeat this process for any other images on the same product, especially if it has multiple angles or variants. Then, move to your next product and do the same. Consistency is key. Use the same aspect ratio every time so your collection pages and product galleries look polished and professional. To recap quickly, go to Products, open a product, click an image in the Media section, choose Crop and Transform, select an aspect ratio like Square, adjust the frame, click Apply, and then Save. Work through each product image you want to match. That's it. With a few careful crops and consistent choices, your storefront will look cleaner, your products will stand out, and your customers will have a smoother browsing experience.